Hello, everyone. I hope you've had a great weekend and are ready to start another week two of our 3-week teaching cycle. So, this week we're going to be focusing on chapters 3 through 5 of the Blended Learning and Grades 4 through 12 book. And I have designed some content pages and 2 assignments for you to complete by the end of this week. So, if you go on to modules, you will see that after week 1, you have your the 4 pages that have already been published. The first one is the art of asking questions online. So you can see the learning outcomes of this content page. I have created a voice thread. If you have never used a voice thread before, it's basically a slideshow with voice embedded throughout. So you just simply click play. And you just simply go through the slideshow, and there will be a recording of um, of the content on each slide. So after you go through that, you will then, based on the information in the slideshow, you will then create your own type of question um, through it, submitting it through this Google form, and we will provide you with feedback on this by the end of the week. So make sure to send in your question based on the information in the slideshow. Then your assignment will be to take a look at these questions, and these are all questions that come from the book. However, 2 of them have been switched. That is to say that the subjective one might be the brainstorming one. Those could be switched. So it is your task to read these questions, evaluate them, and determine which ones um, have been switched. Afterwards, you will answer these questions. Again, these are examples of the different types of questions that you can ask online about the process of evaluating that. So how you submit that assignment is you can either make a Google Doc and submit that Google Doc, or simply just do a text entry um, submission. When you have finished that, you will go on to the next one, which is developing a dynamic learning community. Again, you have your learning outcomes here. You have a short video on how to post icebreakers, and this is actually from Catlin Tucker's YouTube page. And then we have a short um, slideshow presentation. From that, you will go to your assignment, and the assignment is for you to look up an icebreaker. It could either be an icebreaker that you do face-to-face or online, and then you will submit it into this Google Sheet. Um, and the reason we're submitting to this Google Sheet is so that we can each submit one icebreaker and then come back to it in the future and be able to pull that as a resource whenever we're designing our online courses. So that is the content for week 2. Please be on the lookout for the week 2 quiz by Thursday night. So I will send out another announcement when I have posted that quiz. Again, I apologize for the confusion this past week on the week 1 quiz. I hope that we have resolved it, and I hope that week 2 is runs just as smoothly as week 1 did. So thank you, and please do not hesitate to email myself or any of the group members if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.